My name is Laura Santos. I'm from envelopes.com, and we're based in Amityville, which is in Long Island, New York, and I'm the marketing manager as well as web operations. So envelopes.com, actually, it was Action Envelope when we made the decision to go with SLI, because we were looking for a vendor that was better than our own on-site search system, which was highly development driven and very hard to manipulate. So envelopes.com decided, or an Action Envelope decided to go with SLI. The cost structure, to be honest, was very efficient and beneficial, and it felt like you guys gave us the support that we needed. The things that were improved from our old site search to SLI is basically everything except for the basic functionality. Our old site search was just very basic. If it had the keyword, the item number, it could be found. Whereas now we can pull up related searches, we can define attributes on products, you can refine by pricing, low to high, popularity, rating. Anything you give the feed to SLI, you can basically refine on and help customer source that way. Whereas before, we couldn't really do anything. It was just the bare minimum. The implementation process with SLI was relatively easy. We were up and running within a couple of weeks. We had previously implemented SLI with actionenvelope.com, which is our, parent site. And then when we launched envelopes.com, we sort of tested SLI's efficiency on Action Envelope. So we saw that it worked and it did its job, so we decided to bring that functionality over to envelopes.com. So it was relatively quick. The merchandising console in SLI is really easy to work with. All the different features are quick and easy, and you can get in and out of them. I can go in and run my daily report, see what's going on, what we need to improve on, as well as create banners, landing pages on the fly, hide, promote, or demote products depending on seasonality. So it has all the functions that I need, and it's very effective. I definitely use synonyms. I promote and demote and hide products depending on seasonality, so that's a good feature. Banners are also another great feature. I use basically everything. Redirect pages, landing pages. We do a lot of things in the merchandising console. Internal users' standpoint, the feedback is great. So I've been able to train a couple people who are new to e-commerce or new to merchandising, and they're able to get on the system and start using it after a couple hours of training. So I'm a big believer in hands-on training. So with SLI, it's really easy to do that. Also with the beta site, if we're testing any new features, it's always great to see that before it goes live. So that's always been good. From a customer standpoint, we've been able to implement suggestions that they had, such as adding ratings and reviews to their refinements, being able to sort by low to high price and list and grid view, as well as other facets they might be looking for. We launched the SLI functionality on Action Envelope and envelopes.com. We've been able to see results tick up each month as we check the metrics. So it's definitely helped our success, and it gets customers where they need to get to faster and more efficiently. When we have needs, we don't have a lot of them, but when we do, it tends to all come at once as far as project bases. and the engineering team is very flexible and is able to get stuff out the door and in our hands and in our customers' hands very quickly. As far as our on-site search with SLI is going to be involved in our site redesign coming up within the next year. We are going to start offering more pre-designed templates, so it's going to allow customers to pick a design, whether it be a wedding invitation where they can change colors and input their customized address and names and such. So we'll have those designs as well as our plain products. So SLI is going to play a major role in how our customers browse and navigate to that product page. So being able to show them both, one or the other, we'll find out through an SLI A/B split test. I recommend SLI because they're very pleasant to work with, and the cost structure is very easy on the budget, and they grow as you grow, and it's a perfect match for us.